welcome back to the channel, guys. We are out at the drag strip. We got Cody out here. We've got the GT500 out here, and Cody's got his car out here, and he's gonna run it. You gonna run it, right, Cody? Yeah. These bikes are moving, man. All right, so we're getting this thing ready. We're gonna make a pass in it real quick. All right, guys, we're gonna make our first pass of the night. Let's see what she does. See if she likes me tonight. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna see if we can get her a good time tonight. Like a really good pass, guys. I need to turn my no time off where I can actually see my 60 foot as I'm going down the track, and I can tell you if I've got a good run or not. She bogged a little bit. Need to lead just a little harder tonight. She felt really good. You can see my IT2s at 115, ECTs at 194, so we're nice and cool. It's 75 degrees out. I think the DA is like 2200. Aside from the little bog, I think we did good. All right, thank you, sir. All right, so 744 with a 17360. So yeah, the 60 was off. So that's what hurt me, was my 60 was off. So we're gonna have to work on that. Let's let it cool down for about 20-30 minutes and we'll get another pass in. All right, guys, so this is your fastest pass?
Yeah, in the car.
805 at 88 mile an hour with the 183.60. Dude, if we get a solid axle on that thing, yeah, and get that thing to hook out of the hole, yeah, because you spun for a little bit.
Yeah,
second. Oh, dude, it's moving. It's moving, man. It's moving. Yeah. Dude, yeah. So you're going to run it some more, right?
I don't know. I launched harder than I'm supposed to on those axles, so I don't know if I will or not.
We just have to put solid axle in a little sooner than what we anticipated.
Well, I don't want to break tonight. I don't want to put axle. I don't want to put solid axle in tomorrow.
Why not?
Oh,
we can do it. All right, guys. So we're going to get in the GT500 and run it. All right. So we got one of these thanks to Toby. I got one at work. I just never remember to bring it with me. So I've been letting my pump and fans run. So we're at 81 degrees on the fluid temp. The blower is 122, and then I'll get on the head right there. It's 130, 144. All right, so we're ready to run again. But you just made a pass in yours, so let's see what it is. So we're at 129. That ain't bad. Get a little closer. 130. That ain't bad. 170. All right, 186. That ain't bad. Now let's see what the temperature is in this bad boy, the fluid. $96. That ain't bad.
Not bad.
Not bad at all.
Stock heat exchanger.
Stock heat exchanger.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. We're good? All right. All right, guys, we're gonna make our second pass. Here we go. Alright guys, let's see what we can do. Alright, we spun a little bit. I throttled it just a little, get it go, and not too bad. We'll see what the 60 foot was and see how bad it hurt me. Felt like a really good pass. Sometimes bogging like I did is worse than spinning, but we'll find out. Alright. We actually went faster with spinning a little bit. That's why I told you sometimes bogging is worse than spinning a little bit. Got a 16460 at a 734 at 96.8. So, all right, we're gonna let it cool down. We'll go again. All right, so like I was saying, I spun a little bit coming out of the hole. Still got a 16460 at a 734 at 96.8 mile an hour. So, car's doing good. We're gonna try it again. Let it cool down about 30 minutes. We're gonna try to get the 60 foot down and run a good time tonight. All right, guys. So I just made the pass. Before I turn my fans and pump on, we're gonna see what the coolant temperature is. 99 degrees. Not horrible. The blower is at 140, and then of course that is get right on the head 171. That's actually hotter than that. But yeah, so the blower is sitting at 140, 140, and then the, see guys, 90, 97, 90, 99. Now we're gonna hook up the fan relay and let it run and get it cooled off. All right, guys, we're gonna make another pass. All right, guys, see what she does. It looked like a 173.60 when I was going down track, so that's not going to be good. Yeah, I knew she slowed down right there. Yeah, she slowed down. 173 ran a 751. Alright guys, got to end that video and realized that I didn't end the video. Right after that run, about 15 minutes after that run, I was trying to car cool down and make another pass. They ended up closing the drag strip about an hour early. It was just slow out there. Hardly anybody was making passes. Reason being is they were calling for rain that night, and it scared a lot of people off, so they wasn't really busy. And it just is what it is. It happens from time to time. I wasn't anticipating it. I was trying to let the car cool off to get a really good run in, and just didn't work out. That's okay. This is Sunday. That was filming that video Friday. This is Sunday, and since then I've filmed 2 more videos for you guys, and they will be coming out this week. One of them is an install video. If you've been on my live feed, you know what I was installing, but it's a little something to help out at the drag strip. So we got that installed Saturday, and then Saturday night we went back to the drag strip to see how it helped out on the car. Guys, I think you guys are going to enjoy the next couple of videos. I had a blast filming them. One thing I want to talk about is, if you noticed, last week I only pretty much put out one video, and that was about me maybe buying this truck. Well guys, the next day I actually did buy it. If you haven't caught that video, I'll put a card right here. You can go check it out. And the reason being, guys, is that I've been going strong for a year and a half on YouTube, putting out 2 to 3 videos a week, working full time, doing family things, and just juggling everything. And it finally came down to we wanted a weekend away with the family before we moved my daughter into college. And so as you know, we went to Gatlinburg last weekend, and this week we're getting the daughter ready to move into college. And then Thursday we moved her into college. So it's been real hectic, guys, and I just took a little time off, spent some time with the family. And you know, in my book, family always comes first. And so I took some time off to do that. Anyway, guys, we are back. I got 3 videos, this video and 2 more coming at you this week, and possibly another video coming for you. And then we'll be at Mustang Week, and it will be busy. I will be pumping out videos for you guys. Don't know how many yet, but as many as I can film, I'm gonna give for you guys. I plan on having a blast at Mustang Week. Last year I had an awesome time, and this year I'm hoping to have an even better time. So guys, I'm hoping to see you there. If you're going to be at Mustang Week, follow my Instagram. I am going to put on my Instagram the events I'm going to be at, and also I'm going to put on my Instagram the night meets that I will be attending. So if you want to come out, hang out, you're more than welcome. If you see me, holler at me, give me a shout. But guys, I'm going to end this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe if you have not, and we will see you next time.